Hey guys, how's it going? How to look at calculator history on iPhone. If you don't have this update, installed on your iPhone, what you're gonna do? You're gonna just go ahead and open up. Let me just set it. Go back to your screen and then go ahead to your settings. Go ahead to the general and make sure that you updated your iOS to the latest version. I have the calculator application open on my iPhone right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the calculator right here, and basically I'm gonna click the three bars at the top left right here, and then basically I'm gonna be able to see all of my equations that I made or currency that I converted or more. So basically gonna be able to have access to the last 7 days calculations right here that I made, and then just go ahead to any equation or any number right here and just start analyzing or see what did you do. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.